Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a password to a Framer page. Password protecting a page in Framer is a quick way to keep work-in-progress designs or private content accessible only to the people you choose. Once enabled, anyone visiting that page will see a lock screen and must enter the password before they can view it. This is especially useful for client reviews, early feature previews, or internal pages you don't want to make public yet. Start by opening your Framer project and navigating to the page you want to protect. Make sure you're in the editor and looking at the correct page in your project so the settings you change apply to the right place. If your workspace uses multiple pages or variants, confirm you've selected the specific page that needs restricted access. Next, move your attention to the top right area of the Framer interface. That's where you'll find the settings control for your page or project. It may appear as a gear icon or a labeled button, depending on your layout and theme. Hovering over icons can help reveal tooltips if you're unsure which control is which. Click the Settings control to open the Settings panel. This panel contains various options that affect how your page behaves, how it appears to visitors, and how it's published. It's a good idea to take a second to let the panel load fully so all sections are visible. Now scroll through the settings until you see the section labeled Password or Password Protection. The exact wording can vary with updates, but it will be clearly related to access control. If you don't see it immediately, continue scrolling. It's typically grouped with visibility or publishing options. When you find the password option, toggle it on. Turning this on activates the password gate for the selected page. From this moment forward, visitors will encounter a password prompt before they can view the content. Framer applies this setting to the page you're working on, so you can keep other pages public while restricting just this one. Depending on your plan and permissions, password protection may require specific workspace capabilities. A few helpful notes as you finish up. Password protection affects the live experience for visitors, while collaborators with editor access can still work inside the Framer editor as usual. Keep track of who has the password and update it periodically if your access needs change. When you're done, simply close the settings panel and continue designing with confidence, knowing that your page is now behind a secure gate. That's it. Your Framer page is protected. Thanks for watching, and happy building.